Shivam. Hi guys, this is Shivam and today we are going to learn how we can make authentication with JWT in Fastify using Fastify JWT, and JWT stands for JSON Web Token, or it's a stateless token. And guys, if you are new, please just look at this. Look at this. What's happening? All you can do is do a bit of support, like, share and subscribe, and yeah, you can see the revenue too, so you can do something about it. All right, so let's just get into the tutorial. So here is this Fastify JWT plugin. Make sure you have started it. Yes, you have. Okay, so this is Fastify JWT. So all you need to do is install it via Fastify JWT, which I have done already. All right, so now then after that, what we will do is we will register this in our main application where we are calling index. So here we have this example. So this is not ESM example, so we use ESM. So what we will do is here we will do server.register. Okay, and what will happen now is that we need to pass Fastify JWT. So here I am getting autocomplete, so hit enter, it will be automatically imported, and then we need to pass a secret. So I have already stored a secret in my env. So as you can see, this is JWT secret love hate 010101, whatever. Just make sure if you are switching server it's same, otherwise you won't be able to decode it. Haha. Okay, yeah, so secret, we will get the autocomplete because of TypeScript. So process.env.jwt secret, and if I don't put that bang symbol, because I bang people, no I don't. So we get this TypeScript error, and this is not a good way. So you should use like env schema, the like plugin to load the env. Alright, so we have done this. Now also you need to make sure that you export this, okay, so that we will use this to encode and decode JWT. Cool, yes. Okay, so let's go to our controller. Okay, user controller. Here we have the controller. So let's go and login. I'll do this for login first. And in the login, what we will do is, we will just if everything is good, so if his password is correct, after here we will make a JWT const token equals to, and we will have to import that server. So server dot JWT dot sign. Okay, and we will pass the user dot email. Okay, and let's put it in the body for now. So I will just do token. All right, and let's try to log in. So I'll just open new tab. Fast JWT invalid type. Why? Come on, don't do this to me. I'm recording a video. Okay, so this is how we sign the payload, not like that. So let's get into it. So we will just do, so instead of just signing this, so we will do email, and we will do this. Okay, user.email. Perfect, and that's it. Let's try again. So we will do here, and as you can see, we are getting this token. So if I go to the JSON Web Token, so jwt.io, and they must have a playground here. So yeah, so I'll just zoom it a bit and I'll paste this. So as you can see, I get this email and issued at. All right, so this is how JWT works. And to verify the signature, we will have to put your secret, and then, so as it is saying like invalid signature. So if I paste my env, let me take this from full. So I will copy this and I will paste it here. And as you can see, signature verified. This is how the verification works. Okay, now let's go and create a route which has this like verify, something like that. So what we will do is in the users, let's go in user routes. So just like this, verify user, let's make it more explicit, user token, and let's make a schema again. So I'll make it simple. So here in user schema, so what I'll do is I copied it, you saw that. Okay, so JWT verification schema. Okay, so we will just put JWT here. And yeah, that's it. So this is in body and it can be in header as well, so you can do that. So I have to do here is max length, how much the length it was. So what we can do is just copy this and go in console and do this 139, max length 139, min length 139. Yeah, it should work. Let's make it token. This is the schema and I am using this type box. You can use that too. It's great because it generates a schema as well and types as well. Okay, let's go back to the user route and here we will do JWT verification schema thanks to autocomplete. And yeah, it's just I need to pass this and it will loop verify user token. Cool. And now what we need to do is we need to create a handler. So let's just go in user controller and here we will do like verify. Okay, const verify token and everything will be same. Export const async, and here I am defining type, so you can do this too. So I'll just do copy paste, and if you are not using TypeScript you can skip, but you should use TypeScript. So token request and type of, here we will put JWT verification schema. It will be auto imported and I will just do request token request, and then I'll do reply Fastify reply. Okay, that's it, and I'll do this. Cool. I mean, we don't need to put 200 because it will be default, so you can get rid of 200. And here what I'll do is I'll just verify that token. So here if you will go in the docs, so you will see like you get Alright guys, so I stumbled upon this, like I was looking how we can customize this, how this verification will work. So there are few ways you can do it. So you can just go and individually call this JWT verify and it will automatically verify it. And the thing is, like I was wondering how is it taking the token. So it is taking, like by default it takes from this authorization bearer. Okay, so if you want to customize it, what you will have to do is you just go to the index.ts file where we describe this, and here we have the secret, and then we have this option of verify. Yeah, so as you can see, this is like here it's like verify and it will like have stuff. So verify, and then we will have extract token, and this is the function which we will have request here. So we will get the request, and in this we can do lot of stuff. Okay, so if we just want to extract the token, so we will do request dot body dot like token. Okay, and here we can just put the, what do you say, JWT. All you can do is right now is just do @ts ignore. So if I find something, I'll let you know guys. So, and this should work now. So if we go in this user controller again, and we have this function, and one more thing I did is like I extended this token request with Fastify request, so we get the type. So it will verify the token now. So success true or whatever, or if not, like return success false, something like that. Or let's make it reply dot code, which will be 401 dot send, and this. Alright, so we got this JWT here in this index.js, so it will request .body .token. Okay, now let's just test it, and yeah, so here we will just put the token. We don't need any of this. /user/ verify, and token equals to this. Okay. Oh, okay, so we have to change in the routes as well. So here we have this routes, so instead of verify token. Okay, now it should work. So let's see, success true, and if we do something in the token, so let's add a dash, like, yeah, it should not be longer more than 139 characters. So that will be an error. So let's put F, and here we get success false. And this is how you do it. You can put it in headers as well, where it should look for token. You can also like customize the error. So let's just like put a laughing emoji. So that's it for JWT, and let's try to, I'll try to put this, they have this add hook. So instead of doing manually, so I will try to do this. Let's do this. I know this video is getting longer, but if you want to like keep watching, just do it, because I want to play with it. Okay, so here we have this index.js, and yeah, we will register another plugin as well. So server.addHook. Okay, cool. So here we get this request JWT dot verify, and this is adding like verification on all the routes. So all the routes should take JWT, which is not possible. So let's just comment this out, and I will just log console.log request dot let's make it req request dot how do we get path here? Request dot params dot raw dot path. Okay, router path. Let's see what we get. Okay, so here we will have the console. No, this is the console. Let's zoom so that you guys can see. Let's do this, and success false. Okay, slash users verify. Cool. So now what we can do is we can put a logic here. So router path, here we have this. So we can make a list object. So what we will do is we will just make const, you can put it anywhere, but to show you right now, const auth routes, and we will just put all the routes. So let's suppose we want to put this route user slash verify. We will just put it here and make it empty or null, something like that. And yeah, you can put another one, user slash like list, something like that, and we will put null again. I want it to be pretty. Okay, yeah, this looks good. So all you will do is keep adding here. So as I explained why I did not put array here, so what we will do is we will just we get the router path here from here. So like if router path request dot router path, and let's just set it to true. It will be easier. True. Okay, so now what I can do is just come here and do like auth routes and get this value. Const, like let's make it route path string, and let's do di di oh gosh, let's select this, delete and paste it. Okay guys, just let's ignore this. I can't do anything. TS is making me cry again. So if the path is there, then we will verify it. Request dot JWT verify, and yeah, that's, let's check it in action. So right now we have in this controller we are manually verifying it. So let's just comment this, and yeah, let's see if we do this. Cannot read properties of null reading token. Let's say console.log we are protected. What a great typo. Alright, let's go here, and I just want to put this here. We are protected. Okay, cool, but what's the issue? If I call this verify console.log error, cannot read property of null reading token at extract token. How is it becoming null? Let's do console.log request.body request.body is null. So I think if we are adding hook, does it do something? Let's check. Let's call that JWT verify in the user controller. To this again, we are getting token. So if we add the hook, it doesn't work. That's the scenario. Alright guys, so turns out the thing is that like we can put this header. So what I tried is like I put this hello header. So if you put anything with colon, this HTTP will add in header. So I requested the header here, so request.headers, and as you can see in the pre post hook, so on request hook we get this token hello. Okay, so the thing is pretty simple, is like what I can conclude is body does not get included or passed on request. So what you will have to do is like you will have to put this in authorization or like something like this, just token, and instead of all this, like let's just make this okay. So you should see this token. Okay, and why is it like okay, content length 0. Alright, perfect. So now let's do this. So whatever we had, I'll just put it, and this logic will be changed from this to request dot headers dot token. Okay, and then what we will do is here we will just do same as we had, like So that's why like it was giving like request dot router path. Okay, this is fine, this is cool. We are protect, let's keep it like this, and I'll just call this JWT verify. Okay, and yeah, that's it. It should work fine now. We are passing the token in header, and unauthorized authorization token is invalid, the token signature is invalid, we are protected. Okay, so let's put whatever we had in the token, so xg. Okay, so xg, and now it is saying body should be object, so we have to change the schema again, but yeah, that's it. So it is working. So if I will go in this user routes, and I'll just get rid of a schema, so and right now let's just test it again, and we get success true, we are protected. Okay, and yeah, let's, and let me show you like if we have this JWT verify here as well, we do, like now we can just get rid of it, and yeah, let's run this code again. So we are protected and we get this success true. Alright, so let's just make another route to see if this works or not. So what we will do is, let's keep this route only, and I will just duplicate this thing, and yeah, yp, and let's list user, and let's make this like slash users list, and I will do handler, let's make a handler as well, so it's simple, just do this export, and we will do list users, and here we will have the simple Fastify request, and no verification, we will expected what, okay, one more this thing, and we will just do await prisma dot user dot find. Okay, and that's it, it should give us all the users. So, and if I do success true instead of, I'll put, and let's make this const users equals to, and data will be users. Okay, cool, let's go in the user route and slash, we will make it get users or list users, what it was, let's check it out. Oh gosh, I put it inside. And here we go, list user, and I'll just do list user, or let's make it get users. And yeah, the route is list. Now let's go in this index ts, and here we defined, so we have this list as well. So if we, let's try putting this without, like with a bad token, slash let's try with good token. Yeah, here we get all these users, as you can see. And if we put a bad token instead of unauthorized, yep, that's it. And if we don't put any token, so let's see, bad request, format is authorization bearer token. So you can customize the message from here, like verify, and I think what it was, error or message, yeah, messages, all that stuff from here. Alright, so that's it. I hope you learned something cool, amazing. You discovered how we deploy stuff, how we do stuff, how to debug stuff. Anyway, so if you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for cracking the algo and reaching this channel to the moon. Okay, bye bye. If you have any doubts or questions, please let me know. Have a great weekend or day or whatever, whenever you're watching. Bye bye.